Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use outfit codes in Roblox. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So here, as you can see on my screen, I am on the Roblox website. So first, you also need to do that and then just log in into your account. And after doing so, from the home page, just click into the marketplace, so it should be located on the upper part of your screen. And then next, what you can do here is to just simply I'm going to click into the clothing part, and then I'm just going to click into a random clothing right here. So this one. So as you can see, what I am going to do for me to be able to use the outfit code here in Roblox is to go into this address bar right here. So as you can see on the link right here, there's this code part. So this is the code for this specific outfit right here. And then if you want to use a code here in Roblox, what you can do, so here's the link, right? Here's the entirety of the link. And if you have a link that you want to use, or outfit code rather, that you want to use here in Roblox, so what you can do is to delete this part right here. So after it says right, roblox.com/catalog slash. So you just need to delete the all of this right here after the second slash. So I'm just going to delete that, and then instead you just copy or paste the link that you have from anywhere. I'm so sorry, that is wrong. Just going to go back right here. Just going to do that again. Control, no, just that is the link. And then after pasting the code, just hit enter. Then after loading for a few seconds, you should be able to see the code that corresponds to that code that you have earlier. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can use the Roblox outfit code. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.